Japan, sagot sa kalungkutan. Bored kami ng mga bagets kaya pinuntahan namin itong trending na Gala Food Park sa may Hongji Gardens, Pasay City. Malapit lang sa Mall of Asia area. Super Japanese-inspired ang buong lugar. May lanterns, anime murals, Ghibli vibes, and cozy setup. Perfect pang food trip at Japan backdrop content. Enjoy na enjoy yung mga bagets. May free yukata rental din sila, and kahit Japanese themed siya, may food from other countries like Thai, Filipino, and more. Syempre, food hopping kami. I'm a sushi lover, so in-order namin lahat na nasa menu. Takoyaki, crispy outside, creamy inside, legit Japanese taste. Ang Taiwanese beef brisket noodles nila, sabaw palang panalo na. Nagmais kunyalo din, ice cream with 2 flavors in 1 cup. We tried strawberry and mango. Ang cute beshi, perfect for IG. At ang favorite ko, yakiniku. This one is their Japanese samgyup. Meron din silang VIP rooms, meron din dining area na parang nasa loob ka ng van, kaya super unique. Photo apps everywhere, anime murals, glowing lanterns, cozy corners, very Instagrammable. Air-conditioned ang area, pet-friendly, and may pa-free wifi. Para madala ko nga ang mga bata sa taas, nag-avail kami ng VIP card. 3,500 tong silver card and may free 1,000 pesos na siya. So, laking tipid din. Consumable to sa food and drinks, so valid pa for 1 year. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong pasyalan for kids, Gala Food Park is a must visit. Masarap ang food, sulit ang experience, and super aesthetic. Perfect for food trips and bonding moments. This is your Beshi Mommy, your girl for all things. Sayonara!